Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Video lectures, Class 1, Subject English, Final Term, Lecture number 4, Nabila Amir from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Contents of today's lecture are use of when and where on your book Grammar and Usage, page number 71. Then we will learn the concept of adjectives and solve the exercise on your book, page number 80 and 81. At the end, I will give you home task. Dear students, when you ask something, how do you ask? Which words do you use? कौन से वर्ड्स आप यूज करते हैं जब आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन करते हैं? Okay, most of you know these words. So our first topic is question words. कि क्वेश्चन करते हुए आप कौन से वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं? So let's see what are the question words. Who means कौन. What means क्या. When means कब. Where means कहाँ. Why means क्यों. How means कैसे. Dear students, these are the question words which you use when you ask the questions. Today, we will learn in detail about the two question words, and they are when and where. Now let's see where do we use them. हम इनको कहाँ use करते हैं when and where को. Dear students, our first question word is where. Where means कहाँ. किस वक्त हम ये क्वेश्चन वर्ड यूज करते हैं? We use this question word to ask question about places. जब हम किसी चीज की जगह के बारे में या किसी भी जगह के बारे में पूछते हैं, we ask where. For example, where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Or where are you going? Now let me give you few examples through pictures. Where is my teddy bear? It is on the bed. Now, in this question, place of the teddy bear is asked by asking, where is my teddy bear? Hello, friend. Where are you going? I am going to school. Bye-bye. Dear students, our next question word is when. कब use करते हैं हम when? It is used to ask questions about timing. जब हम किसी चीज के timing के बारे में पूछते हैं, then we use the question word when. When means कब. For example, when is your birthday? आपकी birthday कब है? When are you leaving? आप कब जा रहे हैं? We are asking about the time. Let me give you few more examples through pictures. Okay. When do you eat dinner? I eat dinner at night. Here we are using when to ask about the time. When do you go to park? I go to park every Sunday. Here we are asking again about time. Let's solve exercise 20 on your book Grammar and Usage, page number 71. You have just learned where do we use when and where. When is used to ask about time, very good. And where is used to ask about place, good. Let's start. Number 1, dash are you coming to my house? Now time is asked when, good. Number 2, dash are you going now? कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Very good. Where are you going now? Number 3, dash is the bus coming? Here the time is asked. When is the bus coming? Good. Number 4, dash is my bag? Where is my bag? कहाँ? Place is asked. Number 5, dash does the bell ring? कब? कब bell होती है? When does the bell ring? Good. Now do it very neatly in your notebooks.
Break time. Let's have a break, eat something and then come back. After the break, we will learn the concept of adjectives.
Okay, dear students, we are going to learn today about describing words or adjectives. Dear students, do you know what are the adjectives or describing words? Adjectives tell us more about nouns. They describe the nouns. जो चीज़ nouns को describe करती है means हमें nouns के बारे में और ज़्यादा कुछ बताती है, उसे हम adjectives कहते हैं और describing words कहते हैं. You all know about the nouns. Nouns are the names of person, place, animal, thing. Now look at the person. Boy, place, school, animal, puppy, thing, ball. Now look at the person boy. You want to tell something more about the boy. That he is a beautiful boy, handsome boy, tall boy, short boy. So all these words will describe the boy. Tall, short, handsome, beautiful. So we call them adjectives and they are describing the noun boy. Like good boy. Good is an adjective. Now school, you want to tell something more about your school. It is a big school, it is a small school, it is a beautiful school. So all these words are describing your school. They are called adjectives. Now animal, puppy, you want to tell something more about your puppy. Like it is a brown puppy, it is a cute puppy, it is a little puppy. All these words are called adjectives. Little puppy like. Now think ball, you want to tell something more about the ball. It is a soft ball, hard ball, new ball. All these words are called adjectives. Hard ball. So see students, good, big, little, hard are the describing words. We also call them adjectives and they come before the noun because they are describing the noun. Few more examples. Now this is the picture of a boy. Let's describe him. Fat boy. So fat is an adjective which is describing the noun boy. Building is a noun. We will describe it. Tall building. So tall is an adjective which is describing the noun building. Elephant. Huge elephant. Huge is an adjective which is describing the noun elephant. Pencils. Two pencils. Two is an adjective which is describing the noun pencils. Adjectives tell us more about the number, color, size, and shape of the nouns. Number like 2 candies. Color like red rose. Size like huge elephant. Shape like round table. So 2, red, huge, round are the describing words. 2 is telling the number. Red is telling the color of the object. Huge is telling us the size, and round is telling us the shape of the thing. Adjectives also tell us about the quality or the feelings of the nouns like angry, happy, and kind. Let's do an activity with me. Popcorns, wow! We are going to describe them. Let's choose the describing words for them. They are fluffy, salty, tasty, white. Wow! Now we are going to describe an apple. Sweet, red, juicy, crunchy. Wow, we have learnt many describing words. Let's solve exercise number 23 on your book Grammar and Usage, pages 80 and 81. Underline the most suitable adjective. Number 1. I like sweet sour mangoes. आपको कैसे मैंगोज अच्छे लगते हैं? Sweet. I like sweet mangoes. Underline sweet. The wolf is a tame or wild animal. Wolf कैसा एनिमल है? Tame means सुधारा हुआ और wild means जंगली. The wolf is a wild animal. So underline wild. Number 3. The hungry thirsty man needs a drink. So जिसे प्यास लगी है उसने पानी पीना है. So here answer is thirsty. So underline thirsty. The thirsty man needs a drink.
Number 4. The good naughty student is punished. Of course, the naughty student will be punished. So underline naughty. Naughty means sharati. Number 5. Mr. Lee is a cruel, kind man. Mr. Lee is a kind man. Kind means mehban and cruel means zalim. So underline kind. Number 6. This handsome, ugly boy is Henry. Now look at Henry. He is a handsome boy. So underline handsome. Handsome means good looking, खूबसूरत, and ugly means बदसूरत.
Number 7. An elephant is a huge, small animal. Elephant कैसा animal होता है? बहुत बड़ा या छोटा? So it is a huge animal. Underline huge. Number 8. A basketball is quite soft or hard. कैसा होता है basketball? A basketball is quite hard. Underline the word hard. Sakht. Number 9. This is a thin, thick book. Look at the book. It is a thick book. Your home task. Rewrite the sentences in your book, Grammar and Usage, pages 80 and 81. Thank you, dear students. Hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.